In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the right sheet in Smartsheet and export it directly into Google Sheets using options you already have on the page. Start on the Smartsheet home screen. This is your hub, and it's a great place to find what you've been working on recently. Look for the suggested section. It highlights items you access often, so there's a good chance your sheet or workspace is right there. If you don't see it, no problem. Switch over to all workspaces to browse everything you can access. From there, use the filter controls to narrow things down by owner, type, or other attributes, or simply use the search bar to type the name of the workspace or sheet. Search is often the fastest route if you know the title. Once you've located the workspace, open it and find the specific sheet you want to send to Google Sheets. Click the sheet to open it in grid view. At the top of the sheet, open the three-dot menu, the More menu, and hover over Export. In the Export options, choose Google Sheets. This will send a copy of the current sheet into your Google Drive as a Google Sheets file. Depending on your organization settings, you may see a brief prompt before the export continues. That's normal. The export creates a one-time snapshot, so changes you make in one place won't automatically sync to the other. If you prefer to start from a higher level, you can also access the three-dot menu at the top when viewing the workspace or sheet list. Open that menu, hover over Export, and choose Google Sheets there as well. This provides the same Google Sheets option from the broader view, which can be helpful if you're working across multiple items and want to stay at the workspace level. A couple of quick tips to ensure a clean export. Make sure your sheet has clear column names and consistent data types because that structure carries into Google Sheets. If you use complex formulas or cross-sheet references in Smartsheet, the exported file will contain static values rather than live links. So plan to rebuild any advanced logic on the Google side as needed. That's the whole process. Find your item from home using suggested, all workspaces, filter, or search, open the sheet, and export to Google Sheets from the three-dot menu. You'll have a ready-to-use Google Sheets copy in moments. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along.